Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to perform an integer division and separately get the remainder in the JavaScript. It's really easy. We just have to create the two variables here. Alright, so I'm going to simply write the variable x and give it a value here, divide by some, yeah, that would be fine. Okay, so I'm going to write here the y. Okay, so now I'm going to simply perform the integer division first. So for that, I'm going to create a variable div. Okay, so I'm going to simply write the x divided by y. All right, and do the console log of the div, and let's just run the code. We have the answer in the float, but we want the integer division. It simply means the answer value must not be in float form. All right, so what we need to do here, I'm gonna simply write the math.trunc function and pass the division inside the math.trunc function. All right, and now you will see we have the value integer. Okay, so this is how we can perform the integer division, and now we need to get the remainder. So for the remainder, it is really easy. I'm gonna write x modulus division and y. That's it, and we will simply console log this as well. Alright, so let's just clear this and run it again. So as you can see here, we have the answer from the integer division, and we also have the remainder value. Alright, so this is how you can perform the integer division and get the remainder in the JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.